Hello, fellow outdoor enthusiasts, and welcome to another MRE ration, unboxing. So today, we're going to be looking at Menu 15 Mexican Style Chicken Stew. Let's see what we got inside. So, right now we're just going to unbox it and see what we got inside. And probably eat it later, but that probably won't be in this video. But I want to see what we got inside. I do have it opened already. So, got this from a local military surplus store. So let's see what we got. Now, I've had the Mexican style chicken stew before, and it is probably my favorite MRE. So first off, we have the accessory packet with a moist towelette. Beverage-based raspberry, which I don't think I've seen before. There's that. The 311 stave 2018. Have gum, toilet paper in there. Here is the main, the Mexican style chicken stew. We have a First Strike bar, crayon raspberry flavor, which is one that I have never tried before. Get it in the sunlight so you guys can see. The flameless ration heater, the FRH. And we got cheddar cheese crackers. I don't know if I've ever had these before. I've seen them before, though. Let's see. We have the 313 stave 2018. Ooh, some cheese spread with jalapenos. Always a favorite. Oh. Another one I don't think I've seen before. Chocolate hazelnut cocoa beverage powder. That's an interesting one. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Then we have some MRE crackers. Let's see what the date on this one is. 303rd day, 2018. The awesome MRE spoons. I always keep those because they are really good. Oh, another mango peach applesauce. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And last but not least, crushed red pepper. Excellent. So that was what was in the MRE from Menu 15 Mexican Style Chicken Stew. At least the one that was packaged in 2018. So that was all looks awesome. I had to pick this one up when I seen it because that's one of my favorite MREs. And out camping here in October in northern Michigan. It's beautiful out here. I just want to do that little unboxing video real quick and show the nature around here. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not like and share the video? It'd be much appreciated. And why not subscribe? And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.